So, Ronin alongside Sky Mavis have announced a new chapter for its ecosystem with Ronin staking, where staking rewards will start flowing to stakers on the 12th of April. And to commemorate this achievement, Ronin is partnering with 5 gaming studios to develop Web3 games on the Ronin network. Out of these 5 studios, our major focus is going to be on Directive Games with their IP called The Machines Arena. The Machines Arena, or TMA, is a fast-paced, team-based hero shooter game developed on the Ronin network. The gameplay is similar to the popular game Overwatch with its 4v4 game mode, but also features a top-down POV like in League of Legends. Being a team-based game, players will have access to multiple heroes to choose from, each with their own unique abilities and ultimate moves. Just take a look at all these cool characters to choose from. The game comes in both PvP and PvE modes. With PvP, players are able to form teams and complement each other's abilities to achieve the game's objectives and defeat their opponents in game modes like Pushback, Skirmish, and Detonation. The gameplay features a high action-packed match lasting anywhere from 5 to 7 minutes per match, making it the ideal amount of time for gamers to have an adrenaline rush in every game. The PvE mode, on the other hand, is a single-player death run mode where players are hot on their toes as they engage in a high-risk, high-reward race against the clock. Players can even earn digital collectibles for the PvE character to match their playstyle and personality, and these collectibles can be sold. The best thing about TMA is the cross-platform feature. This means millions of potential players on mobile and consoles like Xbox and PlayStation will be able to join in on the action, increasing the player base and boosting the competitive nature of the game. The game will be available on Epic Games, and you can now sign up for the closed beta directly on the website. But you also have a chance to score yourself an early access code to the game. 24 hours after this video is live, I'll be giving away 5 early access codes to 5 lucky winners on my Twitter page. All you have to do is follow my Twitter page, link in the description, and I will be giving 5 codes to the first 5 people to like, retweet, and comment on the post I will make on the Machines Arena. So follow my Twitter page if you haven't, and watch out for that. The Machines Arena is going to bring a really interesting turn of events to the Ronin gaming space, and I would definitely be looking forward to the full game's release.